Carla Barroso, a licensed salesperson of Urban Deca Homes, handling Shaw, Cubao, and Ortigas. I'm here with you today to share some good news about Pag-ibig Housing Loan. Ready ka na ba, future homeowners? Let's go! Updates ang Pag-ibig Fund ngayong 2026 para mas matulungan ng mga Pilipino sa kanilang financial needs at home ownership goals. So number 1, ang bagong 10K Safe Loan. Needs ng extra cash for emergency or daily expenses, pwede ka nang mag-avail ng 10,000 Safe Loan or Special Assistance with a low interest rate of 5.95% per year. Tingnan nyo Pangalawa, mas mataas na ang housing loan limit ngayon. Tinaasan na ng Pag-ibig ang maximum housing loan limit hanggang 10 million pesos per borrower. Meaning, mas marami ka ng housing option. So, mula from Shaw, Ortigas at Cubao, mas malaki na ang chance mong makakuha ng bahay na swak sa needs mo at budget ng pamilya mo. At ito pa, mas exciting pa ang bagong promo ng housing loan rates ni Pag-ibig. So for housing loans above socialized housing limit up to 4.9 million, you can enjoy as low as 4.5% interest rate per year. And that is fixed for 3 years. At ito pa, for housing loans above 4.9 million up to 10 million pesos, you can enjoy 5.57 or 5.75 rather, interest rate per year, and that is also fixed for 3 years. So here is an exciting news for you. Are you looking for affordable condo in the heart of city? So we are offering Urban Deca Towers Cubao. So you can enjoy the 4.5% interest rate with an 11,000 monthly noon. Ngayon ay magiging 9,000 a month na lang ang kailangan mong babayaran. So that's only 2,000 monthly savings. So imagine the extra money you can save a month while investing in your own home. So ang reservation natin dito is 5,000 lang. Then with zero down payment, then your monthly payment for 30 years is 9,566 per month. For 20 years, 11,495. And for 15 years, that's 14,444. So, ang total contract price ng ating 13 square meter na studio unit or hotel type is 2.37 500 million pesos. So, diba? So, saan ka pa? So, dito ka na kay Urban Deca Towers Cubao. Siyempre, magpapatalo rin ba si Urban Deca Homes Ortigas with the 2-bedroom units with 30.60 square meter. Your monthly amortization decreases up to 15,000 pesos only. Instead of paying 19,000, you can almost have 5,000 monthly savings, Ang laki ng tinipid niya. With the reservation fee of 5,000, so yun lang po ang babayaran natin. So, ipasok mo tayo sa 30 years, ang babayaran mo to be exact is 15,941 monthly. For 20 years, 19,903 monthly. And for 15 years, 24,066 monthly. So take advantage of this promo interest rate while it lasts. So your dream home is possible. Start today and thank yourself for tomorrow. So these programs are part of the government's goal to help more Filipino families to achieve their dream of owning a decent and affordable home. So once again, these promo housing rates are available until December 31, 2026. So if you are planning to buy, build, and improve your home, now is the best time to take advantage of these Pag-ibig benefits. So message us today and learn more and find out if you are qualified for the Pag-ibig housing loan. Your dream home is within reach with Pag-ibig Fund. So once again, I'm Carla Barroso. I'm here to serve and help you to buy your future home. Thank you!